Daryl Sweeney. This is the advanced shape sorting program for the cs50p Introduction to Programming with Python. My GitHub name is JEFFWISER25. J and the W are capitals. My edX name is DARYL_SWEEN, and it's the 4th of the 6th 26. As you can see, project ds.py is the file, and it's going to be processing this file here. And there's the command, and it's processed the file into a shapes folder, and it's a square, as you can see. As you can see, the shape generator generates shapes, and these are the shapes processed. These are the shapes. So triangle, square, ring, few errors but still, and blobs. As you can see, this is the program. The main function, as you can see here, checks if the user gives one file or a folder, then gets the pics and makes a shapes folder, classifies each image, numbers it, and copies it into the correct shape folder. As you can see, this is the get image files function. The function lets the program work in either one image or a full directory. It only accepts image extensions like PNG, JPG, JPEG, and PGM. As you can see, this is the classify image function. It converts images to dark and light and calculates the shape. As you can see, these are the shape rule functions. Get dark pixels, get bounding box, has ring hole, and this all defines whether it is square, triangle, blob, or unknown. And using rule-based image processing, a square has 1:1 ratio and no holes. A triangle has low fill ratio. A blob is roundish with no hole, and rings have holes and round edges, and otherwise it's unknown. Thank you. That was the advanced shape sorting Python program by Daryl Sweeney.